morning class 5 students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. So today we will continue with chapter 2, the sentence types of sentences. In the last class we learnt the meaning of sentence, and that is a set of words that make sense and puts forward a thought is called a sentence. Then I told you about 4 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. Then I explained you what is an assertive sentence. A sentence that asserts or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. So today we will continue further. Page number 10. Remember, interrogative, a sentence that asks a question. So whenever we are asking something, we use interrogative sentence. For example, what is your name? Isn't that your father? Such sentence end with a question mark. So interrogative sentences always ends with a question mark. Remember, exclamatory, a sentence that expresses any strong emotion. For example, hooray, the exams are over. Alas, the dog fell into the gutter. Whenever we are expressing any strong emotion, either it is of happiness or sorrow, surprise, joy, it could be any emotion, then we will always use exclamatory sentence. Like in example 1, hooray, the exams are over. Here the speaker is expressing the emotion of happiness. Next one, alas, the dog fell into the gutter. Here the speaker is expressing his or her strong emotion of sorrow or sadness. Such sentence ends with an exclamation mark. These type of sentences, exclamatory sentences, always ends with an exclamation mark. Remember, imperative, a sentence that requests or commands. For example, shut the door, please give me some food. So imperative sentences are the sentences which expresses any request, command, order, wish. They are known as imperative sentence. For example, shut the door. So here we are giving command to shut the door. Please give me some food. We are requesting here. So these are imperative sentence. Such sentence also ends with a full stop, but they usually do not have a subject before the main verb in the sentence. The subject you may be understood. So we do not have any subject in imperative sentence, but we assume that subject you is there. It is understood. So let's understand more about interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. For example, what is the baby? Why is the baby crying? So we are asking for the reason why baby is crying? Question mark. Have all the cows returned to the shed? Question mark. Now let's learn about exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences, a sentence that portrays the strong emotion of the speaker, is called an exclamatory sentence. The sentence which try to express a strong emotion, the emotion of happiness, joy, sorrow, surprise, amusement. It could be any emotion. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. For example, superb, your assignment was excellent. So here we are praising someone for his excellency in the work. That's a brilliant idea. So we got an idea and we are very happy about it. So next, what is an imperative sentence? Imperative sentences, a sentence that expresses a command, order, request or suggestion, is called an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop. So whenever we are expressing command, request, suggestion, order or wish, it is called imperative sentence. For example, sit down quietly. So here we are giving command to sit down quietly. Please lend me your book. Here we are requesting to lend the book. So we are asking for help here. So that's it for today. Now it's homework time. Page number 11, B part. In the passage given below, some sentences are numbered and underlined. Write whether these sentences are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, or imperative. One has been done for you. Ronit Subramaniam was 7 years old and he was the tallest student in his class. So this is just a statement. Here we are just asserting something. We are giving just an information about something about Ronit. So this is an assertive sentence. When anyone saw him, they would say how tall he is. So how tall he is, here we are expressing our emotion of surprise to after seeing the height of someone. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Rest of the parts you have to do yourself. Read them carefully and then do them. Now page number 12. C part. Classify the sentences given below as assertive, interrogative or imperative. So you all know that assertive are just statement, interrogative when we are asking question, imperative when we are expressing command, request, wish or we are giving some suggestion. Okay, first one is who is knocking on my front door ? So students, you can clearly see that we are asking question here. So whenever we are asking question, it is an interrogative sentence. So rest of the parts you have to do yourself. D part, complete these incomplete sentence by adding meaningful words. So there are some incomplete sentences. You have to add more words to them to complete them. Like you can see, second part, bring. You have to complete the sentence keeping in mind that you have to make it a sentence of command, imperative sentence. So bring me your book. You can write like the bring me your book. So it will be a command then. So that's it for today. Take care of yourself. We will continue in the next class.